I've been following Jack's orders from the beginning. Jack modified the power core you found to have a Hyperion network uplink. Through it, I was able to access Sanctuary's defenses and lower them. It was all part of Jack's plan.
Grenade! Your eyes deceive you. An illusion fools you all. I move for the kill.
Years ago, I tricked Roland and his friends into opening the vault. I told them it was to protect Pandora from a great evil. That was a lie. Jack knew he could make a fortune off the iridium held within the vault, but he was too much of a coward to open it himself. Through me, he got the Vault Hunters to do his dirty work. I'm so tired of manipulating people. Without you, Pandora has no hope. You have no reason to trust me, I get that. But if you're going to stop Jack from controlling the warrior, you'll need my help. Because I know where the key is. It's with me.
You're an organ donor, right? I'll patch you up whenever.
And I'm awesome. Hey, killer. I phased the city. No big deal. Find a way back here as quick as you can. Now that Sanctuary's reappeared, you can use any fast travel station to get back to the Crimson Raiders. I'll mark the nearest one on your Echo device.
Good choice. Catch you.
Error. Location, Sanctuary. Not found.
Oh no. The phase blast must have taken Sanctuary off the fast travel network. Okay. Head to the iridium extraction plant nearby. I think I know how to get you back to your friends.
It's a fine day, full of opportunity.
You know, I didn't lie to you about everything. You really are the only person who can stop Jack. Roland, Lilith, and Mordecai. He defeated them long ago. They can help you reach him, But in the end, it will be you who brings Jack down.
Unsurprising. Ouch. I enjoyed that. I won't be defeated. I disappear.
If you can cross the river and steal a supply beacon, we can get Sanctuary back onto the fast travel network. I promise. Little as I'm sure that means right now.
I feel the burning eating through my life. Must stop and roll.
Any Hyperion robot able to terminate the pressure will be afforded with the ability to be proud of the fact that they terminated a pressure. Loaders, please do not switch to suicide mode until moving a sufficient distance from Hyperion machinery. A dying puppy. A baby in tears. If the previous statements elicited any emotional reaction, report to your supervisor for summary destruction. Loaders, please do not switch to suicide mode until moving a sufficient distance from Hyperion machinery. Keep it up, robots. You are adequate.
Stealth.
Any Hyperion robot able to terminate a pressure will be awarded with the ability to be proud of the fact that they terminated a pressure.
Do you see those lunar supply shots? We need to steal a lunar supply beacon and get the moon base to send you an uncalibrated fast travel unit. You can use that to get Sanctuary back on the fast travel network.
Grenade.
Simple. Except not at all.
Hyperion machines are discouraged.
Did that thresher just beacon? You'll need to get that back. You've got the beacon? Good. We can use that to request an uncalibrated fast travel unit from the moon base. You'll need a quiet place to set up the beacon. Head to the town of Over...
Oh, this is so frustrating. You see, this is what I don't get about you bad guys. You know the hero's gonna win, but you just don't die quickly. Man, example, this one guy in New Haven, right? City's burning, people are dying left and right, yada yada yada. This jackhole rushes me with a spoon. A freaking spoon, and I'm dying laughing, right? So I scoop out his stupid little eyeballs with it, and his kids are like, oh, yeah! And I can't, oh, he can't see where he's going, he's bumping into stuff, and anyway, I don't know, maybe you had to be there. The moral is, you're a total bitch. You found Overlook, huh? Used to be a nice little town until Hyperion took over. Now everybody there's got the skull shivers thanks to Jack's mining operations. Poor bastards are too sick to leave their homes.
Always trust the
You'll want to set
man
up the
at your
beacon
side.
over there. Once the moon base processes our request, you should have a fast travel station.
Lovely. Remember, we're always open.
It's transmitting the supply request now. We've just got to wait a few minutes and...
Angel, that's enough. You can stop pretending to help the bad guys now. Angel?
We don't have long until Jack realizes I'm not helping him anymore. Defend that beacon.
Now, if you can't even handle these loaders, you're really gonna disappoint.
Curfew violations. For the next week, the grinder will only be used for egregious felonies, like littering or profanity.
Uncalibrated fast travel station request received. Estimated processing time, 3 to 6 weeks.
No. I'll move some data around, see if I can bump you up in the queue.
Angel, what the hell are you doing?
I've increased your request's priority. T-Bone Junction can live without medical supplies for another few months.
I vanish. Precision.
Cut. Darn it. The lunar engineers denied our request. I'll see what I can do.
Send in the constructors. I want those bastards dead now!
Juliet blabbers on the birth of her twin, and wishes her luck in choosing which one to keep.
I just shut off the moon base's oxygen supply. I expect the engineers will launch your fast travel station very soon.
God damn it, Angel, what are you doing? Those are the bad guys! I'm sending everything I have at you. Everything!
They're launching the fast travel station now.
Hyperion reminds
Nothing
you
gets
that
results
any
like a death
unauthorized
threat.
behavior will be rewarded with a one-way trip to
It's
the
almost
grinder.
here. Just protect the beacon for another few seconds. The fast travel has landed. Give me a second while I calibrate it to Sanctuary's new position.
Fast travel station calibrated. Location, Sanctuary, is now available for travel.
Go, quickly! Use the fast travel station and get back to Sanctuary.
Angel, you and I are gonna have a serious talk.
Huh.